Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be cleaning up my youngest son's room, and I'm going to tackle the boys' bathroom. You know, I normally don't clean that bathroom, but I'm gonna clean it today. I'm gonna disinfect it because you know my son, he don't know what he's doing. But I'm gonna clean my youngest son's room, take care of out here.
Hi.
Hi. What does I have to do? We're gonna go to the store. I just got a lot to do, so I'm just gonna be all around. I may come back in and talk to you guys, or I may just do a voiceover. Before I headed to the boys' bathroom, I made a smoothie using fresh mangoes, strawberries, spinach, and blueberries. had already cleaned the sink. Right now I'm just giving it another wipe down before using my garbage disposal cleaner to clean the disposer by allowing the foam to rise out of the opening, letting it sit for a few minutes before turning on the disposer and running warm water. I'm going to hang my son's artwork into frames and hang them probably on this wall or maybe over there by the lamp. These are 3 pieces of wall decor that used to be in the guest bathroom. I'm going to use my Cricut to give them a different wording and hang them along his entry wall.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. I feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. It tastes like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, losing my pride, but I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fire that we watched it burn out. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. I feel like
For lunch today, I made myself a veggie pizza and no one else wanted to try it. They were really missing out because it was very delicious.
demons in my mind, demons in my mind. It tastes like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, 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 demons pushing all my triggers. I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do. I feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. It tastes like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, demons pushing all my triggers, demons pushing all my
After that workout, cleaning the guest bathroom, I had myself a slice of cheesecake and painted another piece of art to go along with two smaller paintings I painted about a month ago. I also have this painting that I did on a board I got from the Dollar Tree. I have to buy a frame for it. I'm not sure exactly where I'm going to place it. I'm thinking either above our bed or in the master bathroom. I wanted to give you guys a look at my bedside zen, and I also have my Bible in my nightstand drawer. I'm going to use these two 11 by 14 inch frames to place the painting I mentioned before into them. These are actually boards from a food packaging. I hung these paintings in my office, but moved them into the living room so that I could place my Louis Vuitton pillow in this space again without it taking away from the living room decor. Now I can add pops of red to even out this space. I like to design my own art because I switch out my decor often and I don't want to spend much money on wall art all the time. Plus, most times I don't find art that I want. So y'all, right now I am killing this bag of popcorn. My son wanted me to watch a few clips of a program he was watching. This is some of the homemade baby shower decor I made for my daughter's drive-through baby shower, and I purchased the stroller car seat combo along with the pack and play playpen. I went to Target to buy more cleaning spray and squirt mop. These were the only scents of Mrs. Myers that were available, and I also picked up these 2 room sprays along with some method cleaner and squirt mop. I bought my granddaughter some more bottles and a few things for my office. I'm planning on painting the clothespins black, but we'll see how that goes. also bought these two ghost drawers and more bath bombs for my son. I had to think of something quick to give out at the drive-thru baby shower because the cupcakes I purchased were destroyed because my husband put them into the shopping cart the wrong way and they toppled over, and I decided to buy cookies while I was out at Target and some little bags. Then I printed tags using my Dymo printer to attach to the bags as a shower favor. Now I'm making my coffee scrub using this watery cocoa butter lotion that I was going to toss out, but decided to use this instead of coconut oil for my DIY scrub, and I actually like applying the scrub this way. I opened this brioche bread to allow it to harden a little. I'm going to try to make French toast with it tomorrow for breakfast. And a couple of packages arrived from a vendor, and I'm testing the quality of the clothing before diving into making large purchases. I have a vendor that I love, but they don't always have the things I want to sell in stock, so I have to look elsewhere, and I think I found another vendor whom I will be working with for future product purchases. I sat outside to clear my thoughts and listen to the sounds of nature while writing out templates for my mailer flyers that I'm having made for my company. So that is it for today. Hope you guys gained some type of motivation from this video, and I hope my energy was bomb enough for any new viewers that made it this far to consider subscribing. I will talk to you all in my next upload.